Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
So today we will see how we can connect TubeBuddy with our channel. For that you need to go to your Chrome browser, and this is our VDIT domain Chrome browser, and I am going to my extension section, and I need to add my TubeBuddy first. I have already showed this process, so I am showing it again so you guys can remember everything. So I have searched it, and this is my TubeBuddy, and finally I am adding it with my Chrome. Okay, so here I have add this extension, and it is downloading, installing. Just wait for few minutes. If your internet is fast, then it will take few seconds. So I think it is installing. Yeah. Okay, so wait for redirect. It will redirect you into another page. It is checking. Okay, it has been completed, and now it will redirect me into another tab, right? So this is our TubeBuddy, and this is how you can install your TubeBuddy, right? Now I need to show you how we can add it with our channel, and from your extension you need to pin it first, and for sign in you need to click here, right? It is showing us to sign in. So let me click on I have read and agree the TubeBuddy privacy policy and terms of use. Subscribe to the TubeBuddy channel for our latest and those things. You need to just add, click on those things and click sign in. So I am going to sign in this TubeBuddy with my BDIT domain channel. So I have clicked on this one. It will take some few minutes. It will take few minutes or few seconds. Let it sign in first. So allow. Click allow and wait for few seconds. So it is redirecting us. Do not refresh. It will redirect you into your channel, and you can see that it has been activated. It will show you like this. Okay, it is being activated with your channel. Now let me show you again. We have searched for Canva tutorial, right? That time you didn't see any SEO ranking and those things. Now you will see everything. So I am searching for Canva tutorial again, and you can see this video. Again I am clicking on this video, and now see the magic. You can see it is loading, and now you can see their SEO score. Their SEO score is 100. And see, these are the tags. Okay, let me stop it. Okay, so these are the tags you can use for your video also. These are the high rank tags, right? And also if you click on this rank tags, click on here, click to load, and it will show you high ranked keyword. They have 12 high ranked keyword, and these are the keywords. You can see the ranking mark, that is 2, 5, 2, 11, 5, 27, 11, 23, 6, 4, 10, 4. You can take these keywords, these tags, and you can put it behind your content. On my next video, I will show you how we can take these tags and how we can put behind our video, and those things to ranking our channel and videos. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification click the bell icon.